Hi, welcome back to Luxury Designers with Danny B. I am here to take a look at two different collections at Chanel. If you follow my channel, my Luxury Trip Girl channel, you know I've been traveling for the last month and picked up some pretty cute things. Actually, I'm wearing them right now. You'll see them when I get to the mirror here in Rome and some other fantastic cities. So I am here to check out what's been held for pre-fall, as well as the COCO Beach collection, which is a little bit more exclusive. It's harder to get access to. It's a smaller collection and it's a capsule collection. So looking forward to trying them on and seeing what you all think and seeing what I think as well, if there's any good pieces. I've been struggling recently trying to find really cute things that are not made of wool because I do have a wool allergy, and also things that are just not too heavy given where I live. It doesn't really make sense to be wearing a lot of heavy things or buying a lot of heavy things. So I am trying to get a little bit more, honestly, picky. I'm trying to get pickier about what I buy, because I'm finding that I wear something once and I just really don't like it that much in real life, and then I end up selling it to the real, and I often lose money, which is just not smart, particularly right now when we need to be saving money and have cash, right? So I'm gonna be a lot more choosy, and you'll see that in the fitting room, which I'll head off to now. Okay, so here is a couple of pieces from pre-fall. So we'll try this one. Another one, just a pair of pants. These are two that I believe I already own. I already paid for, so we'll see how they go and then just return it if it's not a good match, which is this blouse and these jeans. And then this is from COCO Beach. It's a little black dress, really light fabric. This dress, which I could not wait to try, very lightweight, thank God. Lightweight tweed, Chanel, perfect. And this, so this is maybe the most adorable dress I've seen Chanel come out with in a long time. I wish it were a little higher so I could see my ink, can't quite see it. And it's really a cute length, so you can see when I walk back where it comes to. And the back I haven't quite been able to attach yet, but not because of a size or fitting problem, just lack of reach. In terms of sizing, this one's actually a 40, so it's definitely running small, or my Italy trip is making me run big, one or the other, but it is really, really cute and definitely thumbs up. Okay, so here's an example of sizing issues. This top's a 36. I think it fits really nice, looks really cute, very pretty blouse. These jeans, so I can tilt this down a little bit, are a 40. And you see how they fit. They're huge. So the dress was a 40 that we just saw, and this is a 40, but there's no way. So that's an example, you know, why when we get on these, that's an example why when we get on these lists ahead of time and we're trying to get our correct size, and unfortunately when we try them on in real life, they just don't always fit, because it's really hard to guess ahead of time what our sizing is, particularly with the latest collections. This one here is also a 36. It looks good. The size of it looks good. It feels very tight. In reality is it probably is my size. I just need to lose all my Italian weight. So this is what this one looks like. You can see the whole body. And it is very cute. The last one is this pre-fall jacket. Not my thing, a little too oldish for me. But for those of you that are interested or that really like red and black tweed,